video product review with the SuperSliders. The number is 4734195. Reusable slider to hide furniture, mover for carpets, square, 4-pack, 5 inches. What the heck are these things? Seriously, I had never heard of these before until years ago. I bought a set of these, and that's why I just went out and bought 3 more packages. So I just got them. I'm not going to open them up right now, but these things are awesome. You can buy sliders in 2 different formats. This is a smooth plastic, and if you're moving something on a carpet, you need the smooth. If you buy the one with the felt on there, you're not going to move anything. It's going to be a nightmare for you. I made the mistake. I know. So the plastic one, you can definitely slide these across a carpeted floor, and they are incredible. If you buy the felt, you can slide those across a wooden floor, but without marring it up. I have used the plastic. That's all I've owned is the plastic, because I didn't like the felt. So I've used the plastic on a wooden floor, and it didn't mar it up. And if you're worried about it marring it up, then just get a piece of cloth or something, a towel, and just put it underneath and then use it to slide it on the floor. Unless you're a commercial mover and you don't want to mess with the towels, and then you get the felt. I don't know how long the felt's going to last. So why do you buy these things? Why did I buy 3 packages? What the heck do I need 12 of these things for? Well, I'll tell you, because they're not that expensive, and they come in handy. I have them under, I've got a massage chair, I've got 4 of these under the massage chair. Now, I know you go out and you spend this money. What the heck are you spending? It's $9 for the $8.80 for the package. Why are you spending the money so you don't use it? Well, you do use it. You put a chair on this, like a massage chair, and then when you want to move the chair, you just slide across the carpet, and the chair comes out. You don't have to raise it up and put this under each time. It slides out. You can vacuum behind there. You can move it around the room. You get the place cleaned up. I have moved furniture. I have so much junk here from all my videos, and I move things from room to room all the time, just trying to clean up my life and organize. And without these, I'd be in trouble. I have moved computer tables. I've moved bookcases. I moved my sofa. I don't have these under the sofa right now. Well, I threw the sofa out, so I don't have them under the sofa at all, because I don't have a sofa. I've got these under, as I said, the massage chair. I've got them under, I have 3 computer tables that have wheels, but when I want to move them, instead of sliding it across the carpet with the wheels, I just raise the thing up, put the wheel on there, whoom, slide it across the floor. Works really nice. You can see, it's an easy thing to do. And on carpet, it's even easier. I'll show you that in a minute. So you buy these in a 4-pack. I think they've got a whole bunch of different sizes. They've got, I'm looking right now, they've got 5-inch, 7-inch. I get a combo pack. I don't know what the heck the combo pack is. Combo pack is, some felt, I think. Well, let's see. The combo pack is, it's a 16-pack for carpet and hardwood floor. So probably 8 carpet, 8 hard floor. We've got for all floors, which is the combo pack of 16. The hardwood comes in 7 or 5, and the carpet comes in 7-inch or 5. The price is really good. These things are awesome. They're just absolutely incredible. Every house should have them. If I didn't have these, as I said, I would have hurt my back over and over and over, or I could not have moved a lot of the stuff that I moved. I went over to my mom's house with these things. We needed to, I got her a rowing machine, and I set up the rowing machine, but before I did that, she had a sofa. Well, what the heck was in there? She had some old tables, small lamp tables, a big table, and a heavy, really old sofa. There's no way I could have lifted that thing up. So I raised up the corner, put these under, it had 6 legs, I think 6 legs, maybe 8 legs. And she said, "What are you doing? What is that thing?" And I put it under the legs, and I slid the sofa around the room to position it to another wall. No pain. I was able to do it myself. Well worth the money. It says it's made by Waxman SuperSlider. I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the video description. And yeah, I bought these myself. I bought all 3 of these because I thought the price isn't that bad. And the ones that I've got now, time to replace, time to have more of these things. I might never use them, but I probably will. They're very handy, and if you have them, you're going to use them just for anything at all. So even if you have a container and you don't want to pick it up, raise up the corner if you can raise it up. Get the slider underneath the corner, put it under all four corners. Sometimes you can just do two. If it's small enough, slide it to where you want it, and you're done. Movers use these. People that are not movers, that don't want to break their back or their neck or hurt their body, they use these too. Make sure you buy them. I love them. I think they're awesome. And I guess that's it. Use on carpet. But I'll tell you, you can use it on the floor too.